Introducing the 2014 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.